Bids will begin closing starting at 10 a.m. Wednesday, November 16th on Teel Auction's time sale of vehicles, tools, equipment, and supplies. Highlights include lot number 1 is a 2017 Calico 2-horse 7,000-pound trailer. Lot 2 is a carry-on 6-foot by 4-foot tilt deck landscape trailer. Lot 3 is a composite liquid tank. Lot 4 is a 2006 Whacker 4 Light LTC4 light tower on a Wanko 2,100-pound trailer. Lot 5 is a Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1 zero-turn gas lawnmower. Lot 6 is a 2021 CF Moto C-Force 600 new four-wheeler with 5.4 hours. Lot 7 is a Polaris Ranger 150 kids side-by-side with 148 hours. Lot 8 is a pair of 7-foot aluminum ramps, one as is. Lot 9 is a 4-foot garden dump truck. Lot 10 is a Toro 22-inch self-propelled push mower. Lot 11 is a Werder 10-foot step ladder. Lot 13 is a 13-foot aluminum adjustable truck bed rack. Lot 14 is a PowerMate 1,500-pound electric hand truck with off-road wheels. Lot 17, a Husqvarna 359 E-Tech chainsaw with an 18-inch bar. Lot 18 is assorted copper and brass fittings. Lot 20 is a Husky socket set with case. Lot 21 is a Milwaukee M12 battery-operated grease gun. Lot 22 is a Husky fold-out LED work light. Lot 24 is a Lasermark laser transit with tripod and stick. Lot 25 is a JB Platinum DV200N vacuum pump. Lot 26 is a Robinair high-performance vacuum pump. Lot 42 is a Steel extendable pole saw, like new. Lot 56 are roll pins, sockets, and more. Lot 64 is a Quincy 5-horsepower 60-gallon stand-up compressor. Lot 72 is Ironton 6-inch bench grinder. Lot 82 is a Kaka industrial slip roller. Lot 94 are Breeze hose clamps with wall hanging rack. Lot 95 is a sheet metal working shear. Lot 98 are 2 packs of electro-braid horse fence. Lot 105 is assorted tin vent pipe and more. Lot 108 is Goodyear retractable air hose reel. Lot 121 is a Briggs & Stratton 5550-watt gas generator. Lot 125 is 3/4-inch plywood, 2x4s, and more assorted wood. Lot 43 is a lot of 30 livestock fence panels and 2-door panels. Much more at live.teelauctions.com.